Problem 4, it says, given the coordinate point, determine the angle formed with the x-axis in the first quadrant. So we have the coordinate grid here. You're at the point -2, 5. So over -2, up 5. So I'm right here. I want to know this angle formed, basically starting at your 0 degrees here, first quadrant, going and going there. So I know it's like 90 plus whatever this angle is right in here. Or I could imagine that it's all the way 180 minus going back whatever the angle is right here. I'm just going to, in this case, I'm just going to draw the angle going across here. I'm going to make the right angle be right here. That's where I'm going to make the triangle, the right triangle, be. So I want to find this theta down in here. And I know that the final answer for this opening all the way here will simply be this 90 degrees plus whatever theta is. So I got to find theta. Well, let's think what we know. I know I went over -2, so I know the length of this leg is 2. And on the triangle, I then went up 5, so this part is 5. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the tangent because I got opposite and adjacent. So the tangent of theta is equal to opposite 2 over my adjacent 5. Now I've got to get theta by itself. Well, the way we always get angles and the way we undo the word tangent is we take the inverse tangent or the inverse cosine or the inverse sine if that's what we had here. But we have tangent, so to get rid of that we do the inverse tangent. So I do it to both sides. That's going to tell me that theta in this situation is approximately 21.8 degrees. That means this angle right in here is 21.8 degrees. So I know the grand total opening is 90 plus that 21.8. Well, that'd be what? 111.8 degrees for theta for the angle formed with the x-axis in the first quadrant. That's what we have. This is your x-axis that's in the first quadrant. We're just saying, hey, what's the angle opening to that point, -2, 5. Problem number 4.